What's up? What's up? For today's video, we are going somewhere. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng where are we going gani? Cagayan de Oro. Yeah. We're going to Cagayan de Oro, guys. Ipapashop muna natin si Vente.
Wait,
We're gonna visit 2 shops.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. So punta tayo ngayon ng ano, guys, Cagayan de Oro. This is Vente's first long drive. Ipapashop natin si Vente doon. I think isa sa shop doon is magiging favorite ni Vente na puntahan. Yeah. So come with us, guys. We're going to Cagayan for the first long ride of Vente. Guys, we're going to Cagayan na.
Let's go!
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
We're gonna to see. We're going to Cagayan.
What are we going to do there?
Laag.
Laag. What gani mo ginasi sa vlog? Laag na. So let's go, guys. Let's go have first journey of Vente to Cagayan. Sayo kayo.
Maghimuta tagay.
Sayo kayo mga lakaw.
It's 4 a.m.
And check, it's 4 a.m. Let's go! Alaina tayo, guys. Time check 6:35.
6:35.
Yeah. Nandito na tayo, alae. Nabibuild ko na ang city.
Hapit na mag-traffic.
Yeah. I'm tense na kayo. Papasok na tayo ng syudad.
Siege, what you doing?
It was night, then morning in the country.
What we doing? Sleep lang. Where do you wanna go tomorrow? Beach! Do you wanna ligo at the beach?
Yeah, almost there na sa Cagayan.
Almost 2 years din kami hindi nakabalik ng CDO, guys. Kasi parati kami sa Davao. Davao. Hello CDO. Like that lang. Hello CDO.
Kasi may lang yan na sa Cagayan. Kita nakagdagat.
Hello CDO.
You know, there's a yummy food. Yummy food kay Cory mo
Lami, ayo?
Lami kayo.
Dami kayo. Dami food.
Lami kayong food. Yan naman, gutom na diday ka.
Parang gutom na daw siya.
Show me your tummy, be. How gutom are you, be?
Ngayon sa mga yung tami.
Ay,
Oh, yo!
We're here at North Main.
Oh, that's mom.
Wow.
That's not Uncle Daddy. Really?
We're going to North Main, guys.
so guys, naatadali ka ron sa North Main Performance Inc.
Nagpabudol.
Magpabudol ang duha. Nagpabudol si Venti. Naratay gipa-install something, guys. Yeah.
Same pa install pa.
Something lang sa back
Like
ni
what something?
Venti. North Main. Makayo mong guys lang guys, ilang mga rims. Ilang mga suspensions, mga lift suspensions. Makaibos. Pero sa sunod na po nga budol. Murag ba na gid ma favorite nga shop ni Venti guys. Diri. Makabalik-balik kita diri guys.
Tulbaan na itong bulsa guys.
Ha?
Sid? Car daw nahulog.
Magpabudol ang duha, magulat na sila. Murag mao na gyud ding ma-favorite nga shop ni Venti diri guys. North Mint Performance Inc.
Pero dili siya favorite.
Cagayan de Oro.
Dili siya paborito sa among wallet guys.
Basta murag allergic.
Makabuslot.
Murag allergic ang packet. Don't forget to subscribe.
A few moments later.
Ledlight CDO. Nakalaag ra gyud diri guys. Ledlight CDO.
And we have free